Yeah, welcome back. Now I'm just going on working on the Range Rover L322. Now before here I was changing those lights here. Now I have different filters lying, so I was thinking maybe just change the air filter. That is supposed to be lying under here. I was taking out the air hose because I needed to get into the controller, the screw to screw in those here. And this one is hanging over here, and I have that one already taken out. They say I have to take out a screw there, 5mm hex, there, and one in the back to get in. Now do you have to find some tool. Yeah, you just have to go on here. On this car, someone have changed the screws in the front. There, take on a small tool. There, 1, 2, and it's supposed to be one back here. That was need to get shorter. This one very far down here, I think. Yeah, I just have to check. Yeah, the long thing I put on was too long. So now I have to do much shorter and smaller tools. Yeah. One was left in there. There. There, the filter is out, or the housing is out. Someone say it's very smart to put on this before I start to lift anything back. There. Filter is out. Luckily the filter was ugly. Yep. Then I'm back after I mess up with the other filter. I have to go and look for the real filter for this car. And of course I couldn't forget this one with this really ugly color. But at least now I have the filter. This one was bad. just out with that. And down here it was a little dirty. The back end of the filter is a knob. That, as I understand it, that knob should be in the back. Then should be able to go down a special place here. There. New filter is in, and as I was saying, and I was trying to get out the screws, one 5mm hex, 5mm on the top, 5mm, 5mm in the front, and a 5mm in here. To remove the oil cup. And now I have to be able to get this one around everything and in. Everything should go in, and to get in the one in the back I had a longer part, but not so long. Put on the oil separating there. We'll connect this piping again. There. There. That is the front part. Here was different screw, it's supposed to be the same, but someone had put up different, so they have messed up, losing maybe the right screws and put up different types of screws. But here is supposed to be 5mm hex too. So there, it's back. Here is supposed to be 5mm hex. 1, 2, 3. 1 in the bottom there, and 1 under here. And then the filter and the knob on the filter back end is supposed to be down. Yeah. So the service jobs are going slowly, repairs are going slowly, but it's going the right way. One more things to throw away in the garbage. I haven't been able to throw away my lights yet. I don't think it's anything to save in there, but I haven't have the heart to do it. Yeah, then we go on with the next video soon, I hope. So I hope you come back. I hope you like the channel and the cars I have here too. And I hope you put a like on the video and I put on comments. Thank you, and please start subscribing. That would have been nice. Thank you.